So Toyota Tech told me blown head gasket is impossible on the 3RU-FE, and here we are. 2018 Sequoia had a misfire on cylinder number 7. Look at that. So let's see what we got. We got 195,000 miles. It detected a misfire. So basically, I cleaned out cylinder number 7. There was a couple ounces. I don't know if it was ounces. It could have been an ounce of coolant. But I cleaned it out, and I basically put some stop leak, head gasket stop leak, and I'm gonna see if we can fix this. But basically, when you get a misfire in cylinder number 7, which I guess it's rare, but it does happen, you got to replace the heads and potentially the block. And as far as I can tell, it's going to be a repair between $10,000 and $20,000. So we're going to put stop leak in there and see if that will get it going. And then the next thing that I'm going to tell you is the only way to determine, I mean, looking at that smoke, steam, whatever you want to call it, coming out of the tailpipe. But the only way to really determine if you have a blown head gasket is to drop a camera down the cylinder and look for the Toyota red signature red chalkiness, or in my case, the puddle of coolant. So right now I'm just letting this thing idle. I think I gotta let it idle for about 25 minutes, and then we'll see. I'm gonna drive it. I'm just gonna keep driving it. I'll keep adding coolant until eventually, and I'm gonna try about every stop leak product there is until I get this. But I don't want to contend with replacing the engine on this thing.